Okay, so welcome to Janet Labs, and today I will be sharing how to configure Microsoft Intune for Windows devices. So let me share the scenario that I'm going to be implementing over here is that I want to enroll my organization's Windows 10 devices in Microsoft Intune, and from Office 365 only Outlook and Excel are to be installed on these devices. Okay, so first thing that I would do is sign to admin.microsoft.com. I'm signing in with my global admin credentials. Okay, so okay, done with the MFA. Um, okay, so I'm signed in. Perfect. So in the admin portal, I just go to the show all, and here I can see that I can see the admin centers available. So Microsoft Intune is basically this endpoint manager basically is where we can configure and control Intune. Previously, we could also go to the endpoint manager from the Azure portal, but now it has been removed from there and have been shifted to only admin center. You can also just type in endpoint.microsoft.com to directly move over here. Okay, so here I'm basically going to the devices, and in here I will be selecting Windows, and you can see different options over here. I will be choosing Windows enrollment. Okay, for now I am basically selecting automatic enrollment. Perfect. So here you have the MDM user scope and MAM user scope. For right now, it is basically applying on none of the users. You can also apply it on some users, like for some group. If you want, like you can just select any group from over here. For now, I'm just using applying this on all users and save. Done. I can see update Microsoft Windows successfully updated. Okay. I now I am going to the apps. What I have to do over here is that in Office 365, I just want only Outlook and Excel app to be installed in the indoor devices. Okay, so I am going to Windows, and here I'm going to add, select an app, Windows 10, Microsoft 365 for Windows 10, select. Okay, so here am I. Uh, show these as a featured app in company portal. Okay, yes, not a problem. And next, configure app suite. Okay, so here in the select office apps, I have 10 apps selected. But like I said, we only need Outlook app and Excel app. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna uncheck the other apps from over here. Teams and Word. Okay. So we are only left with Excel and Outlook app. Okay, you can also select any other if you have any Visual Studio Plan or other. Okay, architecture, of course, 64-bit. Update channel, current channel, remove older version. Yes, if they have any older version previously installed, so it will be removed. And version to install, definitely the latest one. On behalf of user, yes, I would want the software license agreement to be a to be accepted automatically. Yes. Okay. You can also select language over here, of course, English. Sorry. Okay. Next. Assignments. Oh, okay. So, who do you want to basically apply this app? Uh, this is basically the required. If you assign all devices or all users over here, so basically every user will be eligible to basically enroll in your Intune, and this app will be installed on their computers or available for enroll devices. Okay, for now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add this for all users so everyone can enroll in Windows Intune, as well as if they enroll, there will be basically Excel and Outlook app automatically installed on their computers. Next. Okay, so you can review the settings over here. Excel, Outlook, 64-bit. Okay, done. And you can just do is create. Of Basically for Intune enrollment, the user must have Microsoft 365 E3 license. Done. So this app is installed over here. I go to Windows, so I can see this app over here. So as soon as the users started enrolling in it, I can see the status of installed devices and how many devices have this app installed or failure of in any case installation pending or any device that is not applicable for this. Done. So okay, thank you. This is basically the scenario, and we have basically configured it. Also, in the next video, I will be sharing how to basically enroll your Windows 10 device in Microsoft Intune. So thank you so much. Kindly like and subscribe my channel.